Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in kitchen tip series I am going to show you how to clean the mushrooms. As you can see, there are a lot of residue, lot of dirt on these mushrooms. I am going to show you one easy tip how to clean this. So to clean these mushrooms, first thing I am going to use rice flour. I'm going to sprinkle rice flour all over. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of rice flour. This is almost 100 grams of mushrooms. 2 tablespoons of rice flour, and I'm going to toss it all over. Mix it with your hand. Don't use water initially. Mix it nicely so that all the residue, all the debris which is there on the mushroom just comes out along with the rice flour. After dry washing it, add water and then remove from water immediately.